Across the Pacific, a rising military power has quietly built weapons designed to shatter America's naval dominance, completely and permanently. Inside this coastal facility, engineers unveil the DF-21D, a missile purpose-built specifically to hunt and destroy massive aircraft carriers. Military analysts estimate its range exceeds 3,000 kilometers, placing much of the Western Pacific within immediate striking distance. Once ignited, the DF-21D erupts violently skyward, generating a shockwave powerful enough to shake the entire surrounding coastline instantly. Traveling faster than Mach 10, the missile streaks across the sky, constantly adjusting its trajectory toward a moving target. On impact, its explosive force can cripple even the largest aircraft carrier, disabling it within a single devastating strike.
For more exclusive military breakdowns, subscribe and follow now. In a separate desert facility, technicians prepare the DF-26, a missile known as the Guam Killer for its extreme reach. With a strike range nearing 4,000 kilometers, this missile threatens American military installations across the entire Pacific region.
Once launched, the DF-26 climbs rapidly from its mobile platform, leaving a brilliant trail of fire and smoke behind. Its warhead unleashes devastating destructive force, capable of leveling entire military installations within a single, decisive strike. Now meet the DF-17, China's hypersonic glide vehicle, engineered specifically to evade even the most advanced missile defense systems. Unlike traditional missiles, this vehicle maneuvers unpredictably mid-flight, making its final trajectory nearly impossible to accurately predict. Once launched, the DF-17 accelerates rapidly into the upper atmosphere, preparing for its unpredictable high-speed glide phase. Gliding at hypersonic speeds, this weapon generates intense heat, forming a glowing trail visible even from considerable distances. On impact, its precision strike capability delivers devastating force, overwhelming defenses before any meaningful response is possible. Meet the J-20, China's advanced stealth fighter, engineered to rival America's most sophisticated aircraft in aerial combat. This aircraft combines stealth technology with long-range weapons, allowing it to strike targets before being detected at all. China's Navy has also expanded rapidly, now fielding one of the largest and most modern fleets anywhere on Earth. The Type 055 destroyer carries advanced radar and missile systems, giving China unprecedented naval strike capability across open water. Deep inside protected mountains, China hides its most powerful weapon system, kept secret from satellites and reconnaissance flights entirely. This is the DF-41, an intercontinental ballistic missile, capable of reaching almost any target across the entire planet. With a range exceeding 12,000 kilometers, this missile can strike targets on nearly every continent within minutes. Once launched from underground, the DF-41 erupts violently upward, generating a shockwave that shakes the entire region instantly. China's H-6K bomber carries devastating payloads, giving its Air Force long-range strike capability across vast distances entirely. Once airborne, this bomber can carry cruise missiles far beyond the reach of most modern air defense networks. To defend its own skies, China deploys the HQ-9, a surface-to-air missile system built to intercept incoming aerial threats. This interceptor can engage multiple targets simultaneously, protecting critical military installations from devastating airstrikes and missile attacks. Beyond missiles and jets, China has invested heavily in drone swarms, designed to overwhelm enemy defenses through sheer numbers. Each drone can operate independently or in coordinated groups, striking multiple targets across a battlefield simultaneously and effectively. These Marines train constantly for rapid coastal deployment, ready to establish a foothold within minutes of arrival. China's Navy also operates powerful amphibious assault ships, capable of rapidly deploying troops and equipment across contested waters. Every operation is coordinated from hardened command centers, where officers track satellite data with remarkable real-time precision constantly. China has also tested anti-satellite weapons, capable of destroying enemy satellites and crippling communication networks from space entirely. Every year, China showcases this growing arsenal, sending a clear message to rivals watching closely from around the world. From underground silos to open oceans, China's military machine continues expanding, reshaping the balance of global power steadily.